Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about the passage and paragraph layout. Now in your reading section, when you are provided with a passage, you need to have a general understanding about the passage and paragraph layout. Now first of all, taking into consideration the case of the passage. As we all know, most of you might be familiar about, the passage is divided into three parts. The first part is the introduction, where you can find your topic or the topic sentences stated. So that's why it's always advised in order to read the first line of the passage or first line of the paragraph. So here you can find out what the topic is about, why this topic is stated here, all these kinds of things. Second one is the body paragraph. The body paragraph may contain 5 to 6 paragraphs where the topic which was mentioned in the introductory part is detailed out with certain kinds of arguments and supporting statements. Third one is the conclusion. In the conclusion, it's nothing but a summary or a sum up where you can find the writer's opinion being expressed or any kind of future implications of this topic or any kind of solutions which the writer wants to provide regarding this topic. In this case, the passage is divided into three different parts, and you need to recognize this when you try to read through the passage. Now moving into the second one, that is paragraph. Now similar to that of passage, paragraph is also divided into three parts. The first part is where the topic sentence is clearly stated. So it is always advised, as I had already mentioned in one of the earlier sessions, when you skim through the passage or when you skim through the paragraphs, you need to underline or you need to note the first line of the paragraph, where n number of information will be provided. Second one or the second part is where you would find a number of supporting statements supporting the topic which is stated in the first part. And again, in the third part, similar to that of the passage, you will find concluding statements. In the concluding statements, you will find a brief sum up of whatever you might have came across in your paragraphs. So these are the general divisions or the general layout of the passage and paragraph, and therefore you need to keep in your mind whenever you receive a passage next time in your reading session, try to go through the passage keeping in mind this particular structure, which will greatly help you in order to locate your answers and find your answers more quickly. And I hope it was useful and informative.